In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send money from Whop to your team, step by step, so you can pay the right person quickly and confidently. Whether you're sending a commission, a contractor payout, or just settling team payments, this process is simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more clear software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, sign into your Whop account at whop.com. Once you're inside your account, look at the left sidebar and go to your dashboard. From there, select the community you want to manage. This is important if you're part of multiple communities or manage more than one workspace, because you want to make sure you're sending money from the correct place. After you've opened the right community, scroll down until you find All Tools. In some layouts, you may need to click More first to reveal additional options. Once you see the tools list, select Team. This is the area where Whop keeps your staff and team management options, including payments. Now you'll be taken to your team directory. Here, you should see a table with your staff members listed by name. Take a moment to locate the exact team member you want to pay. Double-check that you're selecting the right person before moving forward, especially if you have multiple contractors, assistants, or team members with similar roles. Once you've found the correct person, look directly next to their name and click the Pay button. This is the action that opens the payment window for that specific team member. It's a very fast process, but it's still a good idea to pause and confirm you're paying the right account. Next, you'll configure the payment details. Start by entering the amount you want to transfer. Be careful here and make sure the amount is correct before continuing. Then, choose the balance source you want to draw the funds from. Depending on how your Whop account is set up, you may have more than one balance available, so select the one you want to use for this payout. After that, you can add a note. This part is optional, but it's really helpful for keeping your records organized. For example, you can add something like June commission, contractor fee, or weekly team payment. A clear note makes it easier to track why the payment was sent later on. When everything looks good, click Send to process the payout immediately. Once you confirm, Whop will send the money to that team member right away, so make sure you've reviewed the amount, the balance source, and the recipient before finalizing it. And that's it. You now know how to send money from Whop to your team in just a few steps. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Whop feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.